Hi Dahlia, it's MeeMaw. I'm going to bed. I shampooed my hair and it looks all funny because I shampooed it and I put it in a ponytail. I'm going to read a story to you tonight from one of the books that I read to your mom when she was little. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the book, okay? Well, it won't let me do that. Okay, I guess we'll do it this way. All right, so here's the book that I'm going to read. And it's called Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies. Yep. And did you see Elmo on there and Big Bird? And I forgot her name. Okay, let's look at this book. Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies. Big smoothies for little monsters. Mango, banana, strawberry, grape, blueberry, peach, and pineapple. So they've got all kinds of smoothies. Welcome to Big Bird's Sweet Smoothies. Big Bird called to his friends, "Come and get 'em." Okay, so I'm gonna turn the page. Okay, what's this page say? Boy, I see a lot of characters on there. I see Big Bird, Cookie Monster, Elmo, and the Count. "What can I get you, Elmo?" asked Big Bird. Elmo loves peach smoothies. "They're peachy keen," Elmo giggled. Hee! That is funny, isn't it? There's Big Bird putting some honey on one. "How about you, Zoe?" That's her name, Zoe. Oh, and there's I can't remember his name in the trash can. The grumpy guy. "How about you, Zoe?" Big Bird asked. "I'd like a pineapple honey smoothie, please," she answered. Okay, that sounds delicious. Okay, let's see what's going to happen next. "I want one wonderful grape smoothie." Oh, your daddy could just really do a really good voiceover with this. "Ha ha ha ha, I want one wonderful grape smoothie with one, ha ha ha, two, ha ha, three, ha ha, 4, 5 big grapes," counted the Count. Oh, and what's over here? "Oscar wants something that isn't on the menu at all." Oh, Oscar's the Grouch. Remember in the trash can? I remember now, Oscar. "Give me a smelly sock smoothie," he grumbled. "Me want yummy banana smoothie," added Cookie Monster, coming up behind him. Big Bird laughed. "I'll make a banana smoothie for you too, Oscar, and you can even keep the banana peel." That's funny. Is this a fun book? Okay, let's see. We're on the last 2 pages. It's a very short book. "Gee," said Big Bird to Radar, "smoothies give everyone so much energy." And Radar is his bear in his arms right there. You see Elmo dancing back there with everybody, and the Count, Cookie Monster. "What's that, Radar? I should have one too." "Big Bird, that's a good idea. Strawberry's my favorite." And Big Bird, and that's the end. That's the end. I love you. I hope you liked the book. I miss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.